Europe's AI future might be at risk, not because of a lack of talent or data, but because of its own rules. That's the warning coming from two of Europe's biggest tech CEOs, Siemens' Roland Busch and SAP's Klein. They say the EU's brand new AI Act, meant to ensure safety and transparency, is actually holding innovation back. Busch argues that overlapping and even contradictory laws are why Europe is falling behind global competitors. He even went so far as to call the EU's Data Act toxic for developing digital business models. Klein added that Europe shouldn't just copy the US by pouring money into infrastructure and data centers. According to him, that's not the real bottleneck. The real problem is Europe's inability to actually use the treasure trove of data it already has. As Busch put it, it's not access to computing capacity that we're lacking, it's the release of resources. This is a bold critique, especially since other companies like Google and Meta only asked Brussels to delay the rules. Siemens and SAP are calling for something much bigger, a complete rethink of how Europe regulates data and AI. If you're finding this breakdown useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Your thoughts matter in this debate. The takeaway? Europe's competitiveness in AI may depend less on building shiny new data centers and more on tearing down the red tape around data and innovation. Want to dive deeper into how these regulations stack up globally? Watch the related video popping up in the corner. And if you're serious about how AI can transform your business, the next step is simple. Book a time with me on my calendar. Let's talk about your AI strategy today.